Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a public IP on your router. First, understand your router uses both a public and a private IP address. The public IP is what the internet sees, while the private IP is for your internal network. To begin, open a web browser and type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, into the address bar. Log in with your credentials. Once inside your router's interface, navigate to the WAN or Internet settings. Here, you will select your connection type. Most home users will use DHCP, where your ISP automatically assigns an IP. If your ISP gave you a static public IP, you'll choose static IP and manually enter the address, subnet mask, and gateway. Ensure all details are accurate to establish a proper connection. Sometimes, setting up a public IP also involves configuring how external traffic reaches specific devices on your internal network. This is where port forwarding comes in handy, allowing you to direct incoming requests on a specific port to a particular device. Alternatively, you can use the DMZ, or Demilitarized Zone, to expose one device entirely to the internet, but be aware this carries significant security risks. After making changes, it's crucial to verify your new public IP. You can do this by visiting a website like What is my IP from a device connected to your network. Also, check your router's status page to confirm the WAN connection is active and displaying the correct public IP. If you face any persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact your internet service provider for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.